welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparisons for 3 of the very famous My Muse massagers. I'm going to give you guys my opinion and basically what are the differences between all of these 3, their purposes, and which one can be best for you. By the way guys, the Valentine's Day sale is on and this is a really nice intimate gift to give to your loved ones or even to your single friends, because it's a happy place for all of them. To get some extra discounts on top of ongoing offers, you can use my coupon code Himani and get extra discounts even on the existing offers, so that's a plus point. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. Also guys, at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of recommendations for Valentine's Day gifting, so keep on watching. I have stored all my massagers in this My Muse pouches that they come in individually, so it's much more easier to store them instead of the boxes. Initially, of course, the box is great, but once you get used to them, these pouches are really good. With that, of course, there's the charger that you get and any pamphlet if you want to keep, but I just have the charger. So first I have here is Pulse. Now this is one of their hot selling products because it's very easy to use, it's very discreet, very comfortable. As you can see, it's not really obnoxiously huge like these other brands have. So it's pretty good in terms of the size. You see, it's not even the size of my palm, so very nice, and the entire feel and all is very good. So this is Pulse, very basic beginner friendly massager. Now the reason why I call it as a beginner friendly massager is there's no need of finding out how to use this massager, which is a problem in other massagers where you have to figure out how to use it. This is a simple one which you can use it, of course, both ways, internally as well as externally. Preferably it's for external use, and it's a very good beginner friendly massage. Not too big that will scare you, not too small, comfortable. I love this feel of it. Like I've always mentioned that My Muse has one of the best product quality when it comes to the touch and feel of the product. It doesn't feel very plasticky and that sort. I really appreciate them for that, because I know their pricing is a little higher, but the quality also that you get, especially for products that you're using internally, externally on your body, you need some good quality, high grade products, hence this one. Also the use of this is also pretty easy. I'll insert a video of the same here. So like you saw, it's very comfortable, it's very discreet, it doesn't even make a lot of noises that'll make you conscious. So this is perfect for beginners. If you are someone who's looking out to get into the self-pleasure, self-care journey, start with this because it's not going to scare you, nor it's going to be looking weird in terms of the way these products are, because a couple of their massagers have different shapes, so it can be a little daunting for you if you're a beginner. Hence this is the perfect one. Also, it doesn't even feel like, it sometimes looks like those diffusers, candle holders sort of thing, so it doesn't feel weird as well. So this is perfect for beginners. I would say that it gives you mild sensational pleasure. It won't be like different kinds which internal massagers give you. So the Pulse is beginner friendly, pretty affordable, and like I told you, on top of that you can use my code to get extra discount. And this is perfect for beginners, perfect for people who are just starting out, perfect for gifting as well. So yeah, there are I think a couple of different colors that you can find. I have this dark Persian blue color. So this was Pulse. On to the second massager that I have, which is called Breeze. Now the Breeze, okay, this one I really like how it looks, first of all, because it doesn't look like a massager. It actually looks like your blackhead suction tool, which is very famous on the internet. So I appreciate for the kind of, you know, design that My Muse has gone for. It's so discreet. It literally looks like a skincare tool than anything but a body massager. I love the grip, the metallic grip they have given behind. This is the lavender haze color. Now Breeze is again for someone who's a little experienced and also beginner friendly. The thing is, Breeze, like the Breeze word suggests, air, it's more of your, you know, sucking sensational feel sort of a product. Just look at it. Like I told you, it looks like your blackhead suction tool. This is basically what it does, and it's a full body massager. This is not something that you use just for the pleasure. It's something that you can use for your body pain as well, because it gives you that really nice soothing feel. Again, it has got 10 different modes of vibration, and it gives you that suction feel, which kind of gives you tingles, kind of gives you a little bit of, you know, soothing feel as well. Depends on where you're using it, but like I told you, it's a multi-purpose tool. That's how I figured it out, and I really like this one because the grip is so good. It's easy to hold. I love the shape of it. It's very discreet and something that, you know, a beginner as well as an experienced person would enjoy. Personally, if you're someone who really likes, you know, that soothing effect, who really likes to be more comforted than having that feel directly, go for Breeze, because of the Breeze suctioning, it actually gives you very, like, you know, comfort, kind of like you're more cozied up sort of a feel than anything else. And personally really like this. Here again, you have a couple of different color options that you can go for, and the pricing is very similar to Pulse as well, and this is both for beginner friendly as well as a person who is experienced. Now coming to the other product that I wanted to talk about, which is their recent launch and in comparison, which is called Dive. Now this is a remote controlled massager, so basically you get two things. First is the massager, as well as you get the remote control. Now this is something, so the first two massagers that I shared with you, those are someone who is an individual can use it, or a couple, but this is more like a couple or an individual, both kind, but marketed as a couples massager, because, you know, you have this separate remote control which can be controlled either by you or by your partner, however you like it. Now this massager is not for beginners, because it is either if you are active, then you can use this massager, or you are experienced, then to use this massager, because it's an internal use massager. Secondly, the kind of feeling it would give you if you are a beginner, it can be a little different for you to experience initially. Hence, I would suggest to not go for this if you are a beginner. But if you are an experienced person, if you are in a relationship and you just want to give something to your partner, this is the perfect one. Now this is a recent launch. Now My Muse has a couple of their other internal use massagers. I have made videos on link and all if you want to check that out, but this one is a recent launch. Now this is called Dive, and literally the word dive means like getting in, and this is exactly what that massager is. It's a multi-purpose massager, by the way, guys. Not just girls can use it, even boys can use it for that matter. And this massager, first of all, I love the size. It's not at all like, you know, those obnoxious tools or massagers other brands have. That's the reason why I really like My Muse, is because they put in a lot into the design and to make it look very normal and not weird. This, okay, for me as a girl, looks like a tampon more than anything else. If you are someone who's used to tampon, this literally looks like a tampon. You have a string at the end to pull out the tampon. This is exactly that in the form of a massager to pleasure, instead of tampon is for your periods. So I love the idea, the design concept they've put it in. Secondly, the size. It is such a nominal size. Even if you're a beginner who is a little experienced and wants to get into this, it will not daunt you. It won't be scary. You won't have second thoughts. And the feel, like I told you, the entire feel of this is such good quality. And it's got these grooves or, you know, kind of engraving done, giving you more natural and comfortable feel and not like there's something artificial or plasticky. So that's there. Again, it comes with 10 different modes of vibration that can be controlled directly from the massager or from the remote, however you like it. And of course, it's very easy to put in internally and take it out because of this loop that is there. And like I told you, it literally gives you a tampon feel. So if you're someone who uses tampon, you can easily use this. Or for that matter, if you're a girl who uses menstrual cup also, you can easily use this massager. This is more an intense massager compared to the previous two ones that I showed you. So that's the reason I won't recommend it for the beginners one, and perfect for couples and gifting. When it comes to using this, like I told you, it's much more intense, and you can say the pressure threshold or the pleasure threshold is slightly higher. So that's the reason I suggested for people who are more experienced. And I love the entire design of it, like I told you. So these were the three comparisons of all these three different massagers that I shared with you guys, and I already gave you guys which one is best for whom. Ideally these days you get all of these in a bundle on MyMuse at like 50-70% off, so that's a great deal that you can look out for. I leave the link below. Especially on Valentine's Day, I would suggest, if you're a single person watching this video, indulge yourself into these kind of massagers, and yeah, it'll just make you happy. It'll just make you feel a lot more comforted and at ease. So whether you are a couple or a single person, do give it a try and experience it yourself. I've made a lot of individual reviews about their products, so you guys can go ahead and check those out as well. As promised, I'll be giving you a couple of more recommendations for Valentine's Day gifting. First of all, on MyMuse website, you can get amazing bundle kits which are perfect. They have like these, play date kits. They have these entire massager kits and all, so you can check those out. They have this melting wax candle kits. Those are really good, so you can check those kits. But one thing that I really want to recommend for Valentine's Day gifting are their scratch date cards. Those are so good. I really enjoy using those cards in terms of the entire feel. You have to scratch it and there's suddenly a date idea. Perfect for people like me who are always confused on deciding or closing on what kind of a date you want to go on. So those are something that you can give during the Valentine's Day. They have the under the sheets card. Those are also really fun. They have 3 different sets of levels in that entire kit, so you can either go with the easy one or beginner friendly. And they also have the first date cards, get to know each other sort of things. Those are really meaningful and impactful gift ideas during the Valentine's Day season. So yeah guys, those were some of the recommendations, and this was the video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.